Yan. How to handle Chaco tarantula. See? Good motherfuckers.
So what? 6 inch?
6 inch, yeah.
Full grown. Main.
Yeah.
25
Chaco.
yata.
Paraibana. And the owner is?
Yeah.
Owner. Rick. Eric. Oh, the cameraman is
Nicolay.
hold this. Oh,
Yeah.
I will hold your Paraibana.
Wait. That's not Parabana. That's Chaco.
Your Chaco.
Wait.
Hold this camera. I will hold
Put it back. I will show them how to handle a tarantula.
Oh, don't lick. It's itchy.
Itchy?
Yes, it's itchy.
Isa lang siya.
Yeah, don't lick your tarantula. Okay. The cameraman can handle also. Look.
Yeah. Let me see.
Ganun din, Wayne.
Hold that. And the cameraman will handle the tarantula.
Convert na lang doon.
This is a Chaco.
Pero pinakalo is
Chaco tarantula. Golden me.
lang. Alam ko 25 lower.
May face na.
Yung bago niya, binamigay niya sa camera mo niya. Tuwa siya eh. Inalam ko yan. 50% is na 25. Oo, pag sinabi mo yung pangalan.
It's very itchy.
He doesn't want to go.
Yes, because my face is oily. Look at my face. Look at my face.
Love face.
Oil. Then this 6-inch tarantula is very it's very
Looking for a playmate.
oh yeah, it's looking for a playmate. Okay, it's your turn.
Wait.
Owner. See, oh look at the motherfucking tarantula. It's so big, motherfucker. Will eat your brain.
Getting bald.
Yes, it's getting bald.
Itarahin niya lang yun.
You done?
Pwede naman yun. Puta may
Oh,
standard na yun.
what does it mean? In your shirt.
In my shirt. Pogi ako, sabi ng nanay ko.
Sabi ng nanay ko.
Okay.
It means I am handsome.
Yes.
My mother say.
And me. Voodoo
This
doll.
is the voodoo doll.
Voodoo doll and my tarantulas. Kuya Eric's tarantula. Fuck. See?
That's the voodoo doll.
We're done. We're done.
Wait.
Uy, teka lang oras, 1:23.
It's the size of your
Pero Jing, alam ka na yung oras natin. Ano gawin
Balls.
hands.
Yes. Pogi ako.
Sneaker.
Ha?
Yeah.
Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Pogi ako, sabi ng nanay ko.
It means I'm handsome. My mother fucking say. See that?
Ay, nako. Hindi nga play some more songs and then I'll try to find
The owner is
pwede pang isang
Eric Ramilo. Oh, hold your tarantula.
Cannot.
Why? I'm afraid. You're a bitch.
Nga pala kay Dr. Joel Mendez of Mendez Medical Group.
How to handle a motherfucking big tarantula.
Sino dyan magkakaisip?
Golden Chaco.
Nothing.
Tapos na, mga tarantado. Bye-bye.
Medical Group.
Ay, gago.
Years younger.
Lasing na ako. Bye.
Go to Mendez.
1, 2, 3, done.